Okay, hello everybody. Tonight we're going to talk about how to find equivalent ratios. And really this is just going to be a lot like simplifying fractions or finding equivalent fractions. So if you're good at that, then you will definitely be good at this. Basically, equivalent ratios are ratios that when we completely simplify them, they give us the same ratio. So for instance, if we've got, let's look at the example that we did in class on Tuesday. We had 180, let me get my pen working, 180 over 3, and we said that that was equal to 60 over 1. These are equivalent ratios, okay? Because when we simplify 180 over 3, or 60 over 1, 60 over 1 is completely simplified, so these two have to be equivalent ratios. Alternatively, we could look at an example like, let's say 18 over 6, and let's say 24 over 8, okay? Now, if we simplify 18 over 6, we get 3 over 1. If we simplify 24 over 8, we get 3 over 1 again. So these have to be equivalent ratios because they're both equal to 3 over 1. All right, let's try another example. Here we're trying to figure out if these two ratio sets that we're given are equivalent. So we've got 3 forks to 18 spoons compared to 2 forks to 12 spoons. So let's simplify them and see if we get the same thing. Well, 3 and 18 we know are both divisible by 3, so I'm going to change this 3 into a 1, 18 to a 6, which gives me 1 fork for every 6 spoons. Alternatively here, I've got this 2 can become a 1 because 2 and 12 are both divisible by 2. And this becomes 6. So again, we've got 1 fork for every 6 spoons. So that means that these two ratios are equivalent. All right, and here's another one. There are 6 large cups to 18 small cups. Remember, we can write this ratio as 6 to 18. And this other one we'll write as 4 to 12. So 6 to 18. 6 and 18 are both divisible by 6. So we can write this as 1 to 3. 4 and 12 are both divisible by 4, so we can write this as 1 to 3. And again, these are both equivalent ratios. So now that you've gone through a couple of examples yourself, or with me in the video, I'd like you to try some examples on your own. And when you're done, then go through some of the IXL assignments you were given for this week and see how you do on those.